Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to be going over my trading from Friday. Today is currently Saturday, July 19th. Friday was the worst trading day I've had of the year. I don't know why. I don't know what had gotten into me. But essentially, I'm going to just go over how I ended up back in profit and what I was looking for. So we had already made a new high. This is the most recent high. If I go to like the daily, sorry, not there. If I go to the daily and zoom out, we made a new high. So I was expecting a sell off, but the problem was my bias was saying buy in the sense of I thought we were going to make another high before we have a huge sell off. But I kind of knew, like subconsciously, like, yeah, we've been going up for too long and we need to fill this gap here, this huge buying gap here. Um, but I don't know why, but I just had the bias to buy. So I was expecting price to hold this area, and maybe I have Stockholm syndrome or something, but I keep trading the 8:30 candle, 15-minute candle, and it keeps doing me in every single time. So I need to stop that now. Going into next week, I won't be trading the 8:30 candle, even if it has huge momentum. But anyways, I kept looking for a buy here, and it went up for a little bit, and I was trying to hold till it get back to this area where I got this line is, and then have a huge sell off, right? It didn't go that way. I kept getting chopped up, and at one point I was down like um 800. So this was like negative 800, right? And I'm gonna put like two screenshots on the side here so you can see um how much I was down and then how I made it back. So anyways, we sold off. Price kept selling off. I kept getting in for like little scalps as we were selling off once it broke these lows here. But I was down so much, I didn't want to over leverage by using NQ, so I had to use MNQ, micros, and I had to keep scaling in. And by the time price got down here, I saw we had this bullish candle here. So I was like, okay, we have buyers in this area. And this is sort of around a psychological number. If you don't know what a psychological number is, it's sort of where we kind of have price. Like buyers like to buy or sell around psychological numbers. So for example, up here, we're at 23,300. So we had a lot of sellers come in around that psychological number because it's just an even logical number. And I forget to pay attention to this stuff because I don't really use it that much, but I need to start paying attention. But look, as we got down here to 23,200, we started having buyers come in, right? So psychological numbers play a part. So I seen this bullish candle here. So I was like, okay, we probably have buyers in the area. And once I saw that it held this with this wick, I got in for a buy, and then I kind of rode it up to about this area and ended up selling off. And like I said, you could see it on the 5 or 15 minutes on the side somewhere over here. But so let me go to my stats so you guys can see. So my average win to loss is pretty 1-to-1. That's fine. Let me go. My stats say better than how I felt trading because lately my trading has been, especially on like 86 trades, bro. I used to take like 10 trades at maximum. Now, obviously, I know this adds up because I'm trading two micros as a standard for me. But watch this. Look at all the losses I had taken. 44, 60. I was actually up and I was going to leave the market with like 200 or whatever. Look at this. I was losing all day. So I forgot about that. We went as far as down as negative 1,300. It was down $1,300. So I was like, I think at that point, that's when I kind of had like a deep breath reset where I was like, okay, let's just take small sizes and work our way back. If we could just get to break even, we'll be good. Right? So worked my way back, micros, slowly back, right? Slowly got back to break even. I was like, okay, I want to end on at least a $200 day. Why? Because you need five $200 days to um you need five $200 days to get a payout with Topstep. So I was like, okay, I'm clearly trading way better. So let's just keep trading and use this momentum to go my way. So I ended up going down 700 again. And then we kind of worked our way up with the hourly on that bullish candle and ended up 214. So don't trade like this. I'm trying to tell you, don't trade like this. And it's really because I really keep messing up because I'm going into drawdown early trying to trade the opening candle. And it's messing me up every single time when I can just wait till 8:45 like I would normally do and get direction. Get direction of where the market's going and momentum starts to come in a little bit more. But that's it for the video of just documenting how I'm trading. So far we're up 582, not bad. I'm only trading micros. I'm getting tired of trading minis because minis keep messing me up. And micros are just easier to scale in too as well. But that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.